Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kibo. I hope that you guys are ready for this super sweet Valentine's Day tutorial. If you want to see how I'm going to get this sleigh, keep watching. Alright, so you guys have seen me do my foundation a couple of times, so I'm going to link a video so that you guys can see if you haven't seen already. It's the same thing. Next, I'm going to go in with my Saharan 2 palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go in with the color Taza. While keeping Taza on the outer crease of my eyes, I'm now going to go in with Fez to create more depth. Make sure that you take your time to blend. I never like to just go in with the main color I'm going to use. I always like to build it up so that I can build my color rather than having to worry about wiping it off and then doing it again if it's too much. Now I'm going to go in with Zora, and as I switch over to Zora, I have switched my blending brush. This is a smaller blending brush, and the purpose of it is to get the inner crease of my eyes. Now this is my favorite part where we're using Nomad, and this color is really popping, and for a halo eye you want to just keep it in the center of your eyelid. All I did was spray Fix Plus spray after I picked up the color with my brush. I'm using Zora again for my waterline, and I'm going to smoke it out as I'm putting it on. I'm going to use Pink Heart from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, and this is a pink iridescent color, and I'm going to use it to highlight my nose and my cheeks. Thanks for sticking with me, and I really hope that you guys are able to look real sweet on Valentine's Day. And I hope that this was a beginner friendly look for you guys who requested more eyeshadow tutorials from me. And let me see if you recreate this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and as always, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share my video.